Good morning, guys. Be fast to go. Be fast to go. And the verse of the day is we love each other because he first loved us. Is if you're in the market for a riding bag, I highly recommend the IKEA. I see a baby. Nee's outfit's cool. There she is. None of this is in focus. Walt Disney World vlog vibes. Nee got 2 ramps last night. The other one's over here. When you live in an apartment, you never know where to store your shit. You just put all your stuff in your parking space. So we're in the car. Nee's TV's loaded up. Not that you can see it. Yay! Yeah! Nee and her new taco, guys! Yeah, baby. Comment down below what she should name it. My car's name is Mitsu. It just happened naturally. It's kind of a horrible name, but she's just the Mitsu. Yeah, she roams pretty hard though, so. We went to Black Rock. We got larges even though I ordered mediums. What did you pay for mediums? I have no idea, probably. I have $0 in my whole bank account. Literally nothing. I have nothing to my name right now. My account got hacked. Like bad. We're driving. I'm vlogging. Yay. Look at the bike back there. Romping. Great. So easy. So easy. I don't even think about it really. Basically, my friend Tessa, her husband, fixed my dirt bike because it had a total flatty. Last time we went out romping, no, we got Nee's bike. I vlogged for like a second there, maybe not even. Now we're finally gonna go out. We're getting there. 30 minutes behind. Hi guys, we made it. There's so many people out. If you guys don't know, Nee and I have a fear of, well yeah, we also just have a fear of people. You look so cute. Yeah. I see an Instagram photo in my mind right now. Bikes are ready to roll tea. Horrible. I'm scared of snakes. Unloading is so much easier than loading. Sorry, my stomach rolls are out, y'all. What? I was apologizing that my stomach roll was out. Yeah, sorry, mine are too. It's just really hot. Look at that closure thing. Their cover. Oh, it's so fake. Who's out here with these crushy new tires? I look like a kook. We're taking the strap with us. Okay. Alright. As she said. That's why I needed the cooler. I never want to hear anyone with their kickstand slander. Okay. Here we are. Sunscreening up, as she should. These goggles are super cool, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna wear the Typhoons today. Oh yeah, bro. Some red on there. Match the bike. Set active. Alpine Stars Tech 3s. Nice. Cheapest on the market, bro. What's your moment? Oh, this is Alexandra Blue. Classy pants from MX. Alpine Stars. Alright, let's see your final fit check. Oh, not even tucked yet. It's a boiler today out in it's pretty hot. Northern Scottsdale. And we got Fast House Slate jersey. We have these pants. What ones are these? I think they're the 2.0s. Got them on MX. These are Alpine Stars. We have a little setup over here. Rocking the Typhoons. We're gonna, with the blue. Titty Americana. Pretty, you know, got this Fox helmet and some fly racing gloves. Go Miss Nee. but I have Fast House jersey, some Fast House pants that look way too big on me, I'm not really sure though, and then some Tech 3s, and then we're rocking with the 805 gloves here, nice and fresh, Cassie helmet, and some Hundo P's, of course. Dope. All right, switching to the GoPro. We just got in from our first moto. It was 30 minutes. 30-minute moto. Exactly a 30-minute moto. We went a couple miles down this way. As you saw, we're gonna go for another moto there and back. What you gonna do? That you brought me. you okay? Yeah. Me? Can you get my bike? Yeah. Go sit down, take your hand off. Oh, dude, this is the opposite way, okay? Well, my arm might be broken. Oh, God. But other than that, yeah. The GoPro's gone. Oh, my God. Oh, it's over there. Wait. Need help, oh, shit. I'm so sorry, I'll pay for that. Dude, my whole clutch is gone. Bro. What? I don't know. He's a trooper out here, guys. Hey guys, I don't know if this is like Survive in the Wild with me or a fucking YouTube video, but I'm about to pass out from heat exhaustion. I built a little fort over here with my fast house gear and the bikes. I'm gonna sit in it so I don't overheat. FaceTiming my mom. Absolutely dope. Hey guys, so I got stranded in the middle of the world while Nee went on the back of a Can-Am with a young family, and then she was gonna drive back, but I told her she wasn't allowed to drive, so she found our new friend Isaiah, and he's saving us right now. And she might have a broken arm, dude, pretty sure. That's a little gnarly. So fucking bad. Yeah, Mom wants you to go to urgent care. I don't want to go to urgent care. Oh, okay. How does it hurt tomorrow? Then it's a waste of it.
I think it's gonna hurt more tomorrow, regardless. If you go to urgent care. 3 days.
If it still hurts. This is so fun.
Yeah, I'll be right there. I don't know if you can hear me or not.
We're on our way back. Our good friend Isaiah is driving. The what? Gnarly headache. That's all I'm losing. Holy shit. Hey lovers, so we're gonna go to urgent care. Shout out to Isaiah. I go, are you okay? And I'm like, just get the bike. Are you okay? I was worried about my bike more than anything. And I'm like, yeah, first aid. And put a kickstand on your goddamn bikes, okay? Because that, no, I'm buying you one as a gift. That's your recovery gift. How cute are they? Love those graphics. Ow, ow! My mom's like, you get insurance in 3 weeks. I wouldn't ride for 3 weeks until you get insurance. I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry. It's just not gonna work. LOL. Guys, Alpine stores make pretty good pillows if you ever need that. Oh yeah. Got it. Got that. Love it. I want the white ones. I want a white fit. Get them on MX or on the Marketplace. They're cheap. Totally. XL. Love y'all.
Press 1. To reach the front desk for all other calls. Under urgent care, this is Aggie.
Hi, do you guys have a x-ray technician on site right now? Mom, at least I'm getting a tan in real one. And you have sunscreen on. I know. Hey. Fucking thing just. The what? Your clutch. Just gone, falls off. What? We're not gonna go to urgent care right now. We might go later. We're gonna get some food at Cane's, and then we got some Tylenol and some ice packs. Thank you, you too. We just got some Cane's. Smells literally so good. I love it. That is the ugliest thing you ever could have gotten at this fucking dealership. Alright, we're back now. We're having some Cane's and watching the Craigs. Hey guys, good morning. I'm at urgent care. I'll let you guys know how it is. Sorry we didn't really end the vlog. So I'm just gonna end it after urgent care. If I go in, they're taking a long time. So maybe I won't even go, I'm not sure. Here we are at the next care. Hey guys, so sorry we haven't even ended the vlog, but I left urgent care. This is my horrible cast situation. I have fractures in my radial head of my elbow, and I have tears in my shoulder. So I have to wear this for a little bit, but hopefully it will feel better before the couple weeks is up so I can just like ditch it. But we'll see. This is the deal. I have a sling too, but I'm just not wearing it right now. So yeah, sorry I look crazy all the time. That is all for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, let us know what you thought, give us riding tips. I need to fix my bike now and wait it out a little so I can ride again. So if you guys like this content, please let us know. We love you.